to be wrecked. One in 9 ships is likely to be wrecked when they are set on sail. When 6 ships are on sail, find the probability for ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ విల్ అరైవ్ safely. Second one, exactly 3 will arrive safely. In this problem, given that 1 in 9 ships is likely to be wrecked when they are set on sail. ఇక్కడ సముద్రంలో పడవలు వచ్చేటప్పుడు 1 in 9 షిప్స్ ఈజ్ లైక్లీ టు బి wrecked అంటే అది ప్రమాదం జరగటం లేకపోతే మునిగిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఎన్నిట్లో 9 షిప్స్లో 1 షిప్ 1 in 9 షిప్స్ ఈజ్ లైక్లీ టు బి wrecked when they are set on sail. Now when we take 6 ships are on sail, find the probability for at least 1 will arrive safely. అంటే 6 షిప్స్ ఇక్కడ సెయిల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకటి సేఫ్గా రావడానికి ప్రాబిలిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 3 షిప్స్ సేఫ్గా రావడానికి ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రాబిలిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. వెన్ 6 షిప్స్ ఆర్ ఆన్ సెయిల్. Here we have to find the probability for at least 1 will arrive safely. సేఫ్గా రావడం అనేది ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ ర్యాండమ్ బైనామియల్ వేరియబుల్ డినోట్ చేద్దాం. సేఫ్గా రావడం అంటే నాట్ టు బి wrecked అని. Given P, that is equal to probability of success. Here we have to find the probability for at least 1 will arrive safely. సేఫ్గా రావడం అనేది ఇక్కడ మనం సక్సెస్గా కనుక తీసుకుంటే ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ అంటే షిప్ విల్ అరైవ్ సేఫ్లీ. క్యూ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్. షిప్ టు బి wrecked. మనకి వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఇచ్చినట్టు మనకి 1 in 9 షిప్స్ ఈజ్ లైక్లీ టు బి wrecked. 1 in 9 షిప్స్ అంటే 9లో 1 మునిగిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. అంటే Q ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/9. 1 in 9 షిప్స్ ఈజ్ లైక్లీ టు బి wrecked అంటే 9లో 1 మునిగిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. అంటే సేఫ్గా వచ్చి ఎన్ని అవుతాయి? 8 అవుతాయి. అంటే 8/9. ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? 8/9. ఆఫ్టర్ writing this value, we have to write the probability of success P, that is equal to 8/9. Let X denotes the binomial variable. Let the binomial variable X denotes the number of ships will arrive safely. Here n is equal to 6. Therefore x follows the binomial variate and probability of x equal to k is equal to nck p power k q to the power of n minus k. Here x follows the binomial variate with parameters n comma p. Here n is equal to, here n, since 6 ships are on sale, n is equal to 6. And ఇప్పుడు ఆరిట్లో మనకి కానీ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 విల్ అరైవ్ సేఫ్లీ. ఆరిట్లో కనీసం ఒకటి సేఫ్గా రావడానికి ప్రాబిలిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 3 రావడానికి మనం ప్రాబిలిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ బిట్ p of x, at least 1 will arrive safely. At least 1 will arrive safely అంటే x greater than or is equal to 1. We have to find the value of x greater than or equal to 1. One ship or more than one ships will arrive safely అని ఇక్కడ మనకి x greater than or equal to 1, that means 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 అంటే n is equal to 6. n equal to 6 అంటే 6 ck k equal to 0. To before writing this value, here we have to write the values of this. n is equal to npq. n is equal to 6 ck. p అంటే 8 by 9 whole to the power of k. q 1 by 9 whole to the power of 6 minus k. q is equal to 1 by 9, p is equal to 8 by 9, n is equal to 6. From this, p of x greater than or equal to 1 means 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0 and k equal to 0. Then we get 6c0, 8 by 9 whole to the power of 0, 1 by 9 whole to the power of 6 minus 0. That is equal to 1 minus 6c0 is 1. 8 by 9 whole to the power of 0 is 1. Here we get 1 by 9 whole to the power of 6. Finally, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9 to the power of 6. This is the probability for at least one will arrive safely. Therefore, probability for at least one ship will arrive safely. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9 whole to the power of 6 or 1 minus 1 by 9 to the power of 6. Next, second one. Here we have to find the probability for exactly 3 will arrive safely. 3 ships will arrive safely. అంటే x denotes the number of ships will arrive safely. అంటే probability of x equal to 3 కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇక్కడ మనం సెకండ్ బిట్ చూడండి. Second one. Probability for exactly 3 ships will arrive safely. That is equal to p of x equal to 3. By using this formula, p of x equal to k equal to 3, then we get 6c3, 8 by 9 whole to the power of k ante 3 into 1 by 9 whole to the power of 6 minus 3. This is the probability of x equal to 3. By using this formula, p of x equal to k. 6c3 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 factorial. Then we get 20. This is equal to 20 into 8 cube by 9 cube into 1 by 9 whole to the power of 3 అంటే 1 by 9 to the power of 3 that is equal to 20 into 8 cube 8 into 8 into 8 by 9 cube అంటే నేను ఇట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు 20 into 8 cube by 9 to the power of 6. This is the probability for exactly 3 ships will arrive safely. 20 into 8 cube by 9 to the power of 6. Next problem. On an average, rain falls on 12 days in every 30 days. On an average, rain falls on 12 days in every 30 days. On 12 days in every 30 days. Find the probability that rain will fall on just 3 days of a given week. Given week ante 7 days. Given 7 days. Given that on an average rain falls on 12 days in every 30 days. Find the probability that rain will fall on just 3 days of a given week. అంటే rain falls on 12 days in every 30 days. అంటే ఇక్కడ P is the probability of success. Given P, probability of success అంటే ఇక్కడ success అంటే rain will fall on a day. ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ rain falls on 12 days in every 30 days. 30 daysలో 12 days పడుతుంది అంటే 12 by 30 that is equal to 6 2s 6 5s. Next Q means probability of failure. Rain will not fall on a day. అంటే 30 డేస్లో 12 డేస్ రెయిన్ పడుతుందంటే రిమైనింగ్ 18 డేస్ rain will not fall. That is equal to 18 by 30. That is equal to 3 by 5. Here probability of success P success means rain will fall on a day. That is equal to 12 by 30. That is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore Q is equal to 18 by 30. The remaining 18 days rain will not fall. So Q is equal to 18 by 30. That is equal to 6 3s and 6 5s, 3 by 5. Since P plus Q is equal to 1, let X denotes the number of days rain will fall. Here X follows the binomial distribution NP. Here X follows the binomial distribution N comma P. Here P is equal to 2 by 5, Q is equal to 3 by 5 and N అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి, we have to find the probability that rain will fall on just 3 days of a given week. వీక్ అంటే ఇక్కడ 7 days తీసుకుంటాం. Here N is equal to 7 days and the probability of x equal to k is equal to, x follows the binomial distribution, so probability of x equal to k is nck p power k q to the power of n minus k, that is equal to n means 7ck p of x equal to k is 7ck, p అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 by 5 whole to the power of k and 3 by 5 whole to the power of n minus k. N minus k is equal to 7 minus k. Now we have to find the probability that rain will fall on just 3 days. Here x denotes the number of days and now the number of days ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి, మనకి 3 days ఉండాలి కాబట్టి p of x equal to 3. Therefore probable required value probability of x is equal to 3. Probability of x equal to 3. By using this formula, p of x equal to k, that is 7c3 2 by 5 whole to the power of 3 and 3 by 5 whole to the power of 7 minus 3. 7c3 is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 6. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, 6 cancel, then we get 7 into 5, 35. This is equal to 35 into 2 cube, 2 by 5 whole cube, 2 cube by 5 cube. Here we get 3 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 4, that is equal to 35 into 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 7. This is the required probability, p of x equal to 3. Next one, it is given that exercise 10b, 7th problem, it is given that 10% of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. % of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. In a sample of 20 bulbs, find the probability that more than 2 are defective. More than 2 are defective. Here given that 10% of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. 10% of the electric bulbs ante 10 by 100. 10 by 100 that is equal to 1 by 10. That is 1 by 10. 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is the probability of the defective bulbs. The remaining 1 by 10 ante the 10% of the remaining 90% of the electric bulbs are non-defective. Here, given that a sample of 20 bulbs, we have to find the probability that more than 2 are defective. 20 బల్బ్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అందుట్లో 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఉండటానికి ప్రాబబిలిటీ కావాలి మనకి. అంటే మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్స్ కాబట్టి x denotes the probability, let the random variable x denotes the number of defective bulbs. Given P అంటే probability of success. P means probability of success. మనకు కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ప్రాబబిలిటీ దేనికి మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఆర్ డిఫెక్టివ్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డిఫెక్టివ్కి ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ అంటే bulbs to be defective. Bulbs to be defective, that is equal to 10%, that is equal to 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10. And next Q, probability of failure, that means bulbs are not defective. Bulbs are not defective. 10% of the remaining 90% of the bulbs are non-defective. Non-defective. Therefore, 90% means 90 by 100, that is equal to 9 by 10. Therefore, 1 in 10 bulbs are defective and 9 in 10 bulbs are non-defective. Let the binomial variable x denotes the number of defective bulbs. మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ఏదో దాన్ని మనకి డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్స్కి ఇక్కడ ప్రాబబిలిటీ కనుక్కోవాలంటే దాన్ని ఎక్స్గా తీసుకుంటాం, అదే సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ bulbs to be defective, that is equal to 10%, that is 10 by 100. The probability of failure, that means bulbs are non-defective, that is 90% of the bulbs are non-defective, so we get 9 by 10. Let the variable, binomial variable x denotes the number of defective bulbs, that implies x follows the binomial distribution n comma p. Here n is equal to 20 sample bulbs. Sample bulbs of 20 bulbs, n equal to 20 bulbs, and p is equal to the parameters n equal to 20, p is equal to 1 by 10, q is equal to 9 by 10, and probability of x equal to k is nck p power k q to the power of n minus k. Here n is equal to 20, that means p of x equal to k is 20 ck. p అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంతకు సమానం 1 by 10 whole to the power of k, 9 by 10 whole to the power of 20 minus k. By substituting n equal to 20 in this equation, we get 20 ck into 1 by 10 whole power k into 9 by 10 whole to the power of 20 minus k. Now we have to find the probability that more than 2 are defective. Probability that more than 2 are defective. More than 2 are defective అంటే probability of x greater than or equal to 2. More than 2 అంటే ఇక్కడ greater than equal to తీసుకోకూడదు, greater than 2 తీసుకోవాలి. Probability of x greater than 2. More than 2 are defective. More than 2 are defective అంటే this may be more than 2 means 3 or 4 or 5. Probability of x greater than 2, that is equal to probability of x equal to 3. Probability of x equal to 3 probability of x equal to 4, probability of x equal to 5 and so on, probability of x equal to 20. మొత్తం ఇక్కడ బల్బ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, 20 బల్బ్స్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి n ఈక్వల్ టు 20 కాబట్టి x may be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 20. This is the more than 2 or defective. More than 2 are defective means probability of x greater than 2. Therefore, probability of x greater than 2 equal to probability of x greater than 2 equal to, that is equal to p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4 and p of x equal to 20. This is equal to, this summation is denoted by sigma probability of x equal to k, where k equal to 3 to 20. The summation of these terms is denoted by probability of x equal to k, sigma k equal to 3 to 20. That implies sigma k equal to 3 to 20, probability of x equal to k means 20 ck 1 by 10 power k into 9 to the power of 20 minus k by 10 to the power of 20 minus k. Then we get k equal to 3 to 20, 20 ck 1 into 9 to the power of 20 minus k, 9 to the power of 20 minus k whole divided by 10 power k into 10 power 20 minus k. This is in the form of a power m into a power n, a to the power of m plus n. When we add these two indices, we get 10 to the power of 20. This is the required probability. Sigma k equal to 3 to 20,